Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you're Emily here, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules Emily family. In this video, disclaimer, please don't mind my busted nails. It's quarantine, we're in lockdown, complete lockdown in the UK, so please bear with me. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, I'll be doing a video of full face of hyped makeup in 2020. So I hope you guys do stay tuned and enjoy this. As you all know, I love to start with my eyes first. I did do my eyebrows off camera just to rush the process, but I'm gonna start off with my P.Louise base. We all know that P.Louise is well known for her eye primers, or her eye bases in other words, which are called Rumor, and she goes from 0 to Rumor 9. But in today's video, I'll be using Rumor number 6, which is a base that is close to my skin tone. Just gonna blend that out. For today's eyeshadow palette, I'll be going in with one of my top favorite eyeshadow palettes, and this is from P.Louise. Like, she is well known for her bases and eyeshadow palette. For today's palette, I'm going to take my Worldy palette, and I'm not going to make it too colorful today, but I'll definitely be going in with mostly the neutral colors, which are the browns and yeah, which are typical earthly colors. This is the color scheme, as you guys could just previously see. I'm gonna go in with the shade called Manchester. I don't think I'm gonna go in with anything too dramatic today because I'm not really feeling it, but I want something nice and blown out. And for this part, I'm just patting this color on. The next palette that I'll be taking, which is from the P.Louise collection also, is the Cancelled palette. What the color story looks like. So so for my next color, I feel like I want to go in with a mixture of Censored and Rumor. So Censored and Rumor. So these two colors right here, I'll be mixing them to blend out the dark color, just to give it that smoke effect. So taking these two items right here, this is just a colored stain brush, there's no product on it. I'm gonna rub this on the back of my brush, just try to clean up. And then I'm gonna go in with a pinky shade. And I feel like I'm gonna mix Rumor and Broadcast. So I'm gonna go in with Rumor and Broadcast. Taking back the dark shade, and I'm just blowing this out. Darkening the outer V a little bit with a bit of the black. Or to prep my skin, I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream and the serum. They work hand in hand for me. The next one I'll be going in with is the Tacha primer. This was a well-known primer. It's been going global on the internet when this came out, and a lot of persons were trying it out, and it was a lot of people's favorites. So I did go and pick up the mini version, I think months after it was launched. It does remind me of the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I do feel like they are perfect dupes, which is a much cheaper option. So the first one I had was the e.l.f. one, and I ran through that primer like nobody's business. London Loves Beauty, and I was like, okay, why not try it out since it was on big sale as well. So I do love this primer, even though I haven't shown this on my channel in the longest time. But so the next thing I'll be taking is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, and I love this. This baby right here gives me an awesome glow under my foundation or on top of my foundation. It is an amazing product. This one is in 6.5. I do also own number 7. And I like to typically just put it on the high points of my cheek. I am an oily skin babe, so I don't tend to put it in areas which is my T-zone, which I usually get oily, so I don't tend to put it in those areas. And I love the effect it gives. The next item I will be taking today is my Airbrush Flawless Filter foundation, and this is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this one is 14W. And for this product, I'm just gonna pat it in. This foundation is a full coverage foundation. It is lovely. With this foundation, it has lovely coverage. It is pigmented, and to be honest, it goes a long way, even though it may look like I've used a bit by. Now that the foundation has settled into my skin a bit, the next product I'll be taking is my Pat Mcgrath concealers, and these babies have been raved about and all sorts. I did manage to pick up 2 shades, and I'm gonna use MD23 and MD21 to brighten up. So I'm taking MD21 under my eyes. This concealer right here is very full coverage. I feel like it's worth the price point. And to blend that out, I'm just going to use my Real Technique sponge. Look how beautiful this concealer has blended into this. Putting a little bit of my Flawless Filter back on the top, because as I said, it can be worn on the bottom and on the top depending on your preference. It does give a beautiful glow to the skin. The next product I'm going to take is my Pat Mcgrath Lab Skin Fetish in medium, and I'm gonna apply this under my under eye. For those who don't know what the powder looks like, this is what it looks like. It's very small. That does look beautiful on the skin, and by the way, it does have a bit of kickback. And once again, this is in the shade medium. That is actually really beautiful. I think the last time I tried it was with a brush, and to be honest, I prefer how the sponge is applying it more than the brush. Product that I'll be taking is my Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer, and this one is in the shade Dark. Taking a little bit amount because this is super pigmented. I'm loving how my skin is coming together, guys. What do you guys think? Can comment down below what you guys think of these products. That this next product, you all know, is my go-to all-time favorite. Haven't found anything that can top it as yet, but this is my Charlotte Tilbury powders. Well hyped product in 2020. Well hyped. And the last shade that had been launched was Deep 4, and I do tend to mix Deep 4 with Medium 3, and these are the two shades side by side. For me, I don't personally like number 3 by itself, but it can be worn by itself for those who do prefer it that way. But for me personally, I do love number 3 and 4 mixed together. Now, I'm not saying that y'all need to go around and go purchase 2 to work with, because I do have a video of me comparing both products side by side. So y'all go ahead and check it out and be the judge of which shade you think would be perfect for you. For my skin twin, Estee Lauder Sandalwood. I am Juvia's Place Burkina NYX Cappuccino. So the next product that I've been loving, and I'm from XX Revolution, love Nimbus as well, but for some reason I can't find it. So I'm just gonna go with Frequency today. I do love this brand. As you guys can see, I have a lovely glow already from using this bad boy Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter. I would 1000% recommend this. 1000%. So even if you didn't want to wear no highlighter, you already have that glow from within peeping through already. But as I said, I do love the shade called Nimbus, but I'm gonna go in with the shade called Frequency. Some people don't like it because it's a bit glittery, but I love the glow that this gives. It's the glow for me. Using on my face is my Charlotte Tilbury blush. It is a well-known blush. I feel like a lot of persons love it because it gives you a very nice natural finish without any patches. It's a very lovely blush, and this one is in Pillow Talk Intense. For bridals, for people that love natural blushes, this bad boy is for you. Like, y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna love it. See, for me, that is just perfect. Just to make sure everything is nicely meshed in. My last step is going to be my airbrush flawless setting spray, and just watch the magic that's gonna happen while I apply this. These are my go-to products that I use on a regular. It is bulletproof, sweat-proof. Before I finish, and I almost forgot, which is my mascara. Now, obviously I didn't put my mascara on before because y'all know when you put that setting spray on and y'all forget that you just applied mascara and that mascara is running everywhere. So I'm just gonna pop this on now, and I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Legit mascara, and this mascara was well raved about. I feel like a lot of persons did tend to love this mascara, and I love that it's double-ended, so it's like a 2-in-1 for volume and curl. But I'm going to use the bottom one for curl, which is the thinner side. On that, I mean, for my lip liner, I'm going to take my Morphe lip liner in Trendsetter to line my lips. Hey guys, so we've now reached the end of this video. As for my lipstick, I did go into my Charlotte Tilbury Penelope Pink lipstick. So you guys can comment down below how you guys are coping during this period, and yeah, let's build a conversation down in the comments.